Welcome to 5975 Hickory Street, number 3. This is a totally remodeled 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo in beautiful Carpinteria. We're in the kitchen, which has all new stainless steel appliances. You have this gorgeous countertop, farmhouse style sink, new stainless steel dishwasher, and shaker style cabinets. Downstairs has these gorgeous laminate wood flooring. This is your dining area, which opens up here into your living room. We'll head upstairs to the 2 bedrooms and the gorgeous upstairs bathroom. Okay, so we have new carpet upstairs. We'll start with the restroom. We've got this gorgeous large vanity. A mirror will be installed. You have your shower bar. You have the tile flooring, new toilet, and a gorgeous shower bathtub with brand new shower doors. You have a nice amount of hall storage here. Then we have your first bedroom. New carpet, tons of natural light. Then you have a very large closet here. Good amount of hanging space on this side, as well as here with some additional shelving. Here we're in the second bedroom. Great natural light in here as well. You have a full-size closet with mirrored doors.